Okay, yesterday I was discussing the problem number 3. Find the difference between simple and compound interest on rupees 8,600 at 2 integer 1 by 2%, 7 integer 1 by 4 years. Rate is 2.50, earn is 7.25. Principal is 8,600. They asked to calculate difference between simple interest and compound interest. Remember, compound interest is always more than simple interest because we calculate the compound interest on the amount of previous year. Therefore, always compound interest is more than simple interest. Okay. So yesterday I solved this problem. Simple interest is equal to PNR divided by 100 by filling the ingredients. I ascertained 1,558.75 as interest, simple interest. Okay. And if you calculate compound interest, it is advised to calculate amount first. It is advised to calculate amount first. If they ask to calculate interest, you calculate amount. In the amount, you deduct principal. You deduct principal, then you will get the interest. Remember this point. Don't directly calculate interest. Okay. So I'll calculate amount here. Amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 is to N. So amount is equal to 8,600 into 1 plus 2.5 divided by 100 is to N. First you simplify the middle bracket. First you simplify this middle bracket carefully. Maximum mistake you make here only. So 8,600 into 100 plus 2.5 divided by 100. If you simplify this. And then next step is 8,600 into 102.5 divided by 100. You add and ascertain it. Raised to 7.25. Next is A is equal to 1.25 raised to 7.25. This is the last stage. In this stage, you apply the logarithm. So log A is equal to log 8,600. Yes, any problem? Log
सायन्स तर वाढल्या
log 8,600 plus log. This is one term. This is one term. This is second term. First term log is 8,600. Then second term 1.025 raised to 7.25. This 7.25 will be multiplied with log. Remember this. This 7.25 will be multiplied with this log. So next step is 7.25 into 1.025. Then you have to apply the log here. So log A is equal to 8,600. Then you take the characteristic of this, and thereafter you see the log of this. Okay. So characteristic of 8,600 is 3, because there are four numbers, 4-digit number is there. So for 4-digit number, characteristic is 3. You reduce by 1. And here 1.025. 1.025 is here, but only before decimal point there is only one number. So characteristic is 0. Characteristic is 0. Then you see the 8,600 in the log table. In the log table, you see the (8,600) answer. 8600.
9345.
You see in the logarithm, this is my logarithm table. Is it visible? Log table is visible on your screen or not?
Yes.
You see this. How to see the logarithm table? 86. 86 is here. Okay. 86 line. You see the 86 line. In the 86 line, 0 is first. 9345. Okay. Mean difference is 0. Mean difference 0. There is no 0 column in the mean difference. Okay. Therefore, 9345. Are you getting my point? This is the way of using the logarithm table. Clear? Now you see here 9345. Clear? Then come to the next 1.025. How to see this number in the logarithm table? How to see this number in the logarithm table? (1025). 1.025 is the number. So in this case, you forget the decimal point. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Decimal point ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? If decimal point is not in the number, 10 is the first number, 2 is the number, and 5 is the number. 10 to 5. You have to see 10 to 5 in the logarithm table. Okay. 10 to 5 in the logarithm table. You see the logarithm table. In the logarithm table, 10 to 5. This is the 10 number. This is the 10 number. Then 2 is, this is the 2. What is the 2 number? 0086. Okay. 10 to 5. 5 means 25. 5 means 25. What is total? 10 to 5. What is total? 0086 plus 21. What is total?
0107.
0086 plus 25. This is the number.
0107.
1025. Okay, this is the number 1025. 10 is the first column, 2 is the 2 column. Okay, and 5 in the mean difference, 21. In this way, you see the logarithm table. 100, 0, 1, 0, 7. Am I right? Any doubt regarding this table? Okay, see here 0, 0, 0.1, 0.0107. Clear? Any doubt?
No, sir. Repeat it once again.
Huh?
I don't understand.
Repeat once
I
again.
don't understand. Repeat it once again. Yeah.
What is your name?
Block table.
Log
Saurabh
table.
Mane.
Huh?
हाँ.
Your name, please.
Yes. Saurabh Mane.
Saurabh Mane. This is the number. Okay. This is the number. 1.025 is number. 80. 1.025 is the number. While using logarithm table, forget the point. You forget the point and take the first two as 10. You consider this as 10 number. And next number is 2. And third number is 5. Okay. 10 to 5. 10 to 5 you see in the logarithm table. 10 to 5.
Yeah.
10. You see here. Here is the 10. This is the 10. Okay. Next 2 is means in this column 2. This is 2. In this 2 there is 0086. The third number you see in this table. This is called natural number and this is called as Mantissa. And this is called mean difference. 3 parts are there. And point last 5 you see in this column. 5. In the 5 column there is 21. Okay. 0086 plus 21 you add. 0086 plus 21. Mean difference you have to add. 21. So it is 0107 is the answer. Remember this. And then you multiply this. 3.9345 is the first one. Second log is like this. Then 7.25 into 0.017 is equal to total. Nine three four five plus 0.0776 is equal to what is total? Check it. 4.0121 or not? Anyone tell me?
Yes.
Correct? Huh? Then A is equal to NT log of 4.0121. 4.0121 you have to see in the NT log table. How to see in the NT log table? You see here. You don't see characteristic. After characteristic, point 0121. You see this 0121. 01 first column. This 2 in the Mantissa and 1 in the mean difference. 1 in the mean difference. In this way you have to see. Remember this. Okay. You see the NT log table. You see the NT log table. in the anti-log table, what is your point? 0, 1. Where is 0, 1? You see in this table, 0, 1 is here. 0, 1, 0.01 is here. Then you see the second column. Second column is 1028. 1028. Again 1. 1 is 0. 1 is 0. So your answer is 1028. 0, 1, 2, 1. So your answer is 1028. 1028 is your answer. Okay. 1028. So you see the 1028. 1028 is your answer. Ten 1028 is from anti-log table. Okay. Anti-log table. Then what is the characteristic here? You see the characteristic. What is the characteristic? Am I audible or not? What is the characteristic here?
4.
4 is the characteristic. Okay. 4 is the characteristic. Then in logarithm, we reduce 1. While looking at the logarithm table, we reduce 1. And in the real number, to know the real number, you have to add 1 to the characteristic. Remember this. 4 is the characteristic. Then you have to make 5-digit number. You have to make 5-digit number. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. 4 are completed. So you have to make the 5-digit number. 5-digit number means you put 1 0 here. You put 1 0 and give the decimal point. Give the decimal point. Remember this. Okay. So 10 to 8, I give 1 0 and thereafter put the decimal point. Remember this. Answer is 10,280. 10,280 is the amount. Remember this. If characteristic is 4, you see the 5-digit. You make the 5-digit number. If characteristic is 2, you make the 3-digit number. Remember this. I think you all studied this one in your third semester logarithm. Okay. Then you calculate interest. Interest is equal to A minus P. A minus P is equal to 1680. Interest is 1680 rupee. Then they asked to calculate difference. So difference you calculate. Difference is equal to compound interest and simple interest. 1680 is the compound interest. 58.25 is the compound simple interest. Difference is 121.25. This is as per my calculation. Okay. In this way, you calculate the difference. Clear? You see the next problem. Find the amount and compound interest on 750 at 4 integer 1/4% per annum for 15 integer 1/4 years. P is 7,500. N is 15.25. 15.25. 15 integer 1/4 per year means 15.25. R is equal to 3.25. You calculate A and I. You calculate A and I in your home. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ಬಿಡಿಸ್ರಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ತೆಗಿರಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ಎಷ್ಟು ತೆಗಿತಾರೆ. ನಾ ಬಿಡಿಸಿದೀನಿ ಆದ್ರೂ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಯು ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ ದಿ your own solution. You calculate this and ascertain the answer. Answer, I think it is 1,680 is the interest. Amount is 12,170. Amount 12,170 ಬರಬೇಕು. Interest 1,680 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಈ problem ಬಿಡಿಸ್ರಿ ನೀವು. You solve this problem in your home and tell me tomorrow or in the next class. Okay. Next, come to the next problem. What principal will amount? What principal will amount to rupees 12,867? 12,867 in 5 years at 4% per annum. At 4% per annum. What principal? What they have to calculate? Tell me anyone. What they have to calculate?
P.
They have to calculate P. Okay. Then amount will be 12,167. Amount is 12,167. How many years? How many years? What is the period? 5. What is the rate of interest? Rate of interest 4%. 4% is the rate of interest. Okay, you see here. P is unknown. P is not given the problem. You have to calculate. N is 5. R is 4%. Then A amount is 12,167. This is the amount. Okay. You have to calculate P. How to calculate P? I'll give the solution. You see here, A is equal to, your equation is A is equal to P in the bracket 1 plus R by 100 raised to N. This is the equation. You fill the value. A is 12,167. P is unknown. 1 plus 4. R is 4 divided by 100 raised to 5. Okay. 12,167 is equal to 100 plus 4 divided by 100 raised to 5. Then 12,167 is equal to 104 divided by 100 raised to 5. 12,167 is equal to P into 1.04 raised to 5. Any doubt about this? This is the simple calculation. Okay. Then the next step, P is multiplied with this bracket. You see here. P is multiplied with this bracket. Okay. If you take this bracket to left hand side, what happens? You tell me this next step. Anyone tell me the next step? You take the bracket, full bracket to the left hand side. Your left hand side. What is the next step? Come on, anyone tell me.
Divisible.
Huh? What is the next step? If you take this bracket to the left hand side, what happens? Full bracket. Leave the P there. Huh? Keep the P there and remaining bracket you take to the left hand side. What is the next step? You don't know the mathematical rules? Whenever you jump from one side to the another side of the equal to sign, what happens?
It is divisible.
Huh?
Divisible.
Divisible. So the next step is 12,167 divided by 1.04 is to 5. Is it? Is equal to P. Is equal to P. So next you apply the logarithm. This is the last step. For this you apply the log. So log p is equal to, first I will take this p. Log p is equal to log 12,167, and it is a division. It is a division, therefore the sign is minus. For multiplication, logarithm sign is plus. For division, logarithm sign is minus. Remember this. Okay. Log 12,167 minus 5 log 1.04. 5 log 1.04. Then you see the logarithm table. Log p is equal to, what is your answer? What is the characteristic of this number? 12,167. Tell me characteristic.
4.
Characteristic is 4. Because this is a 5-digit number. 5-digit number, 5 numbers are there. Characteristic is 4. Then how to see the logarithm table? You have to see 12. 12 in the natural number. Mentissa 1. 6 is there, mean difference. You don't see 6, you see 7. If you want to leave this number, 7 number, you increase the before that number by 1. If that number is whatever you are leaving or cancelling the last number. If the last number you are cancelling, if that number is 5 or more than 5, you increase the before that number by 1. 1 h ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು? 12 1 7. 12 1 7. You see the logarithm table and tell me the answer. Okay, come on, tell me. You see the logarithm table. 12 1 7.
0852.
12 1 12 1 7. 7 is 24. 7 is 24. What is the answer? 12 is 12. One number 0828. 0828. To this number you add 21. Sorry, 24. 7 number value, 7 column value is 24. You add 24. 0828 plus 24. What is the answer? Yes, come on, tell me. Zero eight five two. Am I right? 0852. Then log 5 1.04. How to see this one in the logarithm table? You see this 1.04. 1.04. How to see this in the logarithm table? You forget the number, you forget the decimal point and make this 4-digit number. ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳ್ರಿ, ನಡುವಿನ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, 4 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. 0104 ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಹೌದಾ? ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 104 ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. If you forget the point, the number is 104. Then you give 1 0 here. Now you see this number in the log table. How to see this number in the log table? 1040. 1040 value you see in the logarithm table. 10 number 4 0170. and zero column. Zero column is not in the mean difference. Therefore, 170 is there. 0170. Okay. This is the number. You see this one. 17. Minus is there. So log P is equal to 4.08. 0852 minus this one. Next step, multiply and take this. If you multiply by 5, 850. Then next step, P is equal to, you deducted 4.0852 minus 0.0850. Answer is 4.0002. 4.002. Okay. Then log P is equal to anti-log of, sorry, write only P. P is equal to anti-log of 4.002. Okay. Then you see in the anti-log table. You see in the anti-log table. Anti-log table. In the anti-log table, what to see? How to see in the anti-log table? You see here. After the decimal point, you don't see the characteristic. 0.002 numbers. Then 0 column. Then 2 column. You see in the anti-log table. In the anti-log table, 0 first. Again 0 column. This is the 0.00. This is the 0 column. Then 2. In the 2 column, what is the value? 0. Then tell me the number. What is the number? 1000 plus 0. 1000 plus 0 is equal to 1000. Remember this. 1000 is the value. 1000 is the value. So P is equal to 1000. 1000 is the answer as per log table. But characteristic is 4. Characteristic is 4. You see the characteristic. Characteristic is 4. Therefore, you make 5-digit number. To make it 5-digit number, you give 0 here. You give 1 0 here. And thereafter, give the point. Your answer is 10,000. P is 10,000. In this way, you calculate P value. In this way, you calculate P value. This is the problem I solved for you people. This is the way of calculating the P. Any doubt? P is 10,000. Okay. And while give you one problem for you, you solve this problem. What sum should be lent at 3 integer 1/2% at compound interest to receive 321.40 in 2 years? Amount is 321. You solve this problem in your home. You solve this problem in your home and tell me the answer in the next class. Okay. Time up.